I'm going to be changing the wire in my welding machine. This is a flux core, and I'm changing the wire because I ran out of wire. Watch this down here, it's going to start spinning when I engage the trigger. See that? It's because the wire is out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this wire to a 0.035 and unplug the machine when you do this. Okay, just for safety reasons. And take this off. You see here, this is 0.030. And I'm going to change that to a 0.035. When you do that, you also need to change your tip. So let's change the tip first. Take off the cone. That's the tip. This is a 0.030 tip, and I'm going to pull the wire out. Okay. The wire is out, and naturally, I'm going to save my tip. We'll get this out later on. Should have advanced it before. Put my 3 0 tips I place in a 3 0 container. And this is the 0.035 tips that I'm going to put on here. See that 0.035 tip. Just got these. And just screw the tip into here. You can tighten it up if you want to with pliers. So now we have the tip situated. Let's advance the wire. Get it open. I'm going to have the wire where it's going to advance counterclockwise. Well, clockwise, I mean. Maybe this is going to come from the bottom. Another thing is hold it because it's going to spin. Now there's a hole right here. Let's zoom in a little so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to feed the hole into here, but I need to release the tension there. You're going to see the wire down here at the bottom. The end of the cable is right here. And what you want to do is feed the wire into the cable slot. I'm trying to do this with this hand. And you can see it go in. it. It's gonna go in. Now we're gonna have to get the key again. Just advance this down into that hole. The wire is in the cable holes. So now, just going to advance it a little. Okay, and we're going to close the tension on it, okay? Once you do that, here, there's a little groove here also that the wire go in. And this wheel right here, it spins. And when you engage the trigger, the wire spins and advance the flux. So now, loosen it up just a little. We're gonna back up so you can see what happens. Plug up the machine. Okay. And we're gonna feed this until the wire comes out of the tip. Turn the machine on. And you can feel it coming through. It's going down here, coming down here, coming down here, coming down here, and it's gonna push out. I can feel it. It's almost here. Okay, it's getting ready to come out. I feel it kind of like somewhere around here. All right, you ready? I think it's getting ready to come. There you go. See there? And that's how you change the wire and the diameter of your MIG machines, MIG and Flux core. Thanks for watching.